It's a pre-conference workshop. I believe it's on Tuesday afternoon. COSO ICSR has been very positively received worldwide since its publication last year in using the COSO framework for sustainability reporting now that reporting season is upon us. Assurance gets back to what a company or a preparer does, and that's where compliance comes in. So the preparers who must design and implement their programs need help in structuring them in the ways that the assurance providers will be looking at them. If you embrace the COSO framework, it was designed as a principles-based framework for an effectively run organization. So the participants of the workshop will become familiar with the COSO framework and will begin to learn how to speak that language and improve the programs to help their companies succeed in the very near future.